In this video, I am going to show you how to reset QNAP NAS. Here I am showing the model of QNAP T-873A NAS storage. For this purpose, we need to log in the QNAP, then open the control panel, select backup or restore, then select factory to restore. Here we can reset the QNAP to factory default mode. Here we are able to see three options: factory default and format all volumes, reset settings, and reinitialize NAS. Only for resetting the settings we can use reset settings. Here I am doing the full factory default option. So I am choosing the first option, restore factory default and format all volumes. Once after pressing that button, we need to enter the password for resetting. Then press the OK button. Here we can choose the user retaining option once after resetting. If you want to use the same administrator account, we can use the same administrator account once after resetting. Then press the OK button. Here I am not showing this. I am going to do the reinitializing the system. It will reset the entire configuration and settings. Also reload the operating system of NAS. That is the advantage of this settings. I'm pressing reinitialize NAS, then enter the password, press the OK button, then press the reinitialize option. If we are doing this one, it will take time. It will start to reboot the system. This will help to reset the entire configuration and settings. Also reload the operating system of NAS. That is the advantage of this settings. Once after doing this option, we need to set up like a new NAS device. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.